Here we have a Amazon renewed Nintendo Wii. Here's the box it came in. It came with like a little welcome brochure that they send with their renewed electronics. And then just a general warning that has to do with the console itself. It was safely packaged, thoroughly wrapped in bubble wrap. So it's delivered nice and safe. When I first pulled it out, it looked really nice and shiny. Everything looked good on it, but I've been handling it a little bit. I keep my hands clean, but that's just something that's not gonna stay. It looked really nice out of the box. It has 2 slots for GameCube memory cards, and in this panel it has ports for GameCube controllers. All of these panels can be removed if you want, and in here you can put in an SD card. This is the button you use to pair your Wii controllers. That'll eject the disc. Power button for the system. With the refurbished, it's kind of got like tape. Here in the back we have some USB ports, the port for the AV out cables, which you can also get an HDMI adapter for your more modern TVs. That's the port for the infrared sensor bar for the Wii controllers. Then you have your port for the power supply for this system. And most importantly, after purchasing these cables separately, I was able to plug it into my TV and start up a game.